Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
The only reliable way is launching Chrome with the Incognito flag. This change forces Chrome to start without regular profile sessions. You must edit a launcher or shortcut to include that exact flag. The method works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux when you modify the application launcher. Incognito still saves downloads and bookmarks to your device unless you remove them manually. Incognito does not make you anonymous to networks, sites, or employers. Always combine this with VPN or privacy tools for stronger privacy. Right-click your Chrome shortcut and open Properties to edit Target. In the Target field, you will see the path in quotes to Chrome. EXE. Click after the final quote, type a space, then add Incognito. Click Apply and then click OK to save the change. Use that shortcut whenever you want Chrome to start in incognito mode automatically. To revert, remove the incognito flag from Target and save again. This change affects only that shortcut and not other launchers. On Mac OS, use Terminal. Open a Google Chrome args Incognito to launch. To make a persistent Mac, OS Fix create an Automator app that runs that exact command. On Linux, edit the Chrome desktop file and add Incognito to the exec equals line, then update the desktop database. Remember, extensions are disabled by default in Incognito unless you allow them per extension. Incognito will still save downloads and bookmarks to your profile store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.